Ghostbusters SLIMER is a disgusting but oddly endearing blob of green goo with a shrill, mouth-breathing gurgle, remains one of the most iconic ghosts of all time.
Oh, it's you. Okay, but I didn't know you had your license.
His endurance in popular culture is due in large part to what must be considered an impressive little bit of special effects back in 1984. But perhaps some credit for his staying power is also due to how he came to be. Dan Aykroyd was inspired by his deceased friend, John Belushi, and his invidiousness in eating. But now let's see how SLIMER has evolved over the years.
Disgusting blob. I'm gonna have to hold it myself.
Hey, come back!
Trapped through their back, screaming, Ghostbusters! Ghostbusters attack! We ain't one!
Boy, it smells like somebody took a big...
The busters of any G-H-O-S-T.
Something's up, man.
Yeah, great work, fellas. Your country thanks you. Well, that thing's having the time of its life.